Hi everybody, Mischa here with the word of the day, and there it is, lackadaisical. What does it mean? Lacking enthusiasm or determination, carelessly lazy, apathetic, half-hearted. It is not a compliment. And where does it come from? Well, actually, the beginnings of this word we first see in dialogue in plays in the 1600s, again during the Restoration period, when people are saying things like, "Oh, lackaday, woe is me, alas, alack." In other words, dripping sentimental sadness. But by the time we get to the second half of the 1700s, Lawrence Sterne, the writer of his most famous book is called Tristram Shandy, and he creates this word lackadaisical with the current meaning that we have now. And like a the type of writing he did was things Eugenia, if thou hast seen me in my lackadaisical musings. You can understand why after 2 or 3 tries I gave up on reading this one. But how do we use it now? Because we do use it now. It took a long time to become a word that was popularly used, but it sure is today. Let me use myself. My younger sister is a truly magnificent housekeeper, whereas my housekeeping efforts are at best lackadaisical. Say, if you like this content, please share it, like it, tell your friends, and send me some words because I take suggestions.